This is your daily glimpse of science. Thanks to one of our subscribers, we came across this news update. We hope you enjoy the video.
Did you know that the UK has become the first country to authorize emergency use of Pfizer and BioNTech's COVID-19 vaccine? It has been only 7 months since the start of their clinical trials.
I read an article about that. The vaccine from Pfizer and BioNTech has passed safety and efficacy tests with 95% effectiveness at preventing coronavirus. Although the vaccine's efficacy might be lower in the real world than in the clinical trials, but the results still show potential.
Do the vaccine prevent transmission of coronavirus?
The vaccines from Pfizer, BioNTech, Moderna, and AstraZeneca-Oxford have been tested in large clinical trials. Although they have shown promise in preventing COVID-19 symptoms, none have proved that it could stop the infection. It means that a vaccinated person could remain susceptible to asymptomatic infection and could transmit that to others. The good news is the trial results from AstraZeneca-Oxford suggested that their vaccine might be able to reduce such transmission.
So after a person gets vaccinated, how long will their immunity last?
To determine how long vaccine-induced immunity to SARS-CoV-2 viruses will last, the researchers will need to monitor infections among vaccinated persons closely in the coming months and years.
Do the vaccine work for older people, pregnant women, and children?
Early results have shown that vaccines from these 3 leading candidates could protect people over 65 against coronavirus. But there are no data yet on how well the vaccine performs in children and pregnant women, since many safety data as possible needs to be collected before the clinical trials can begin for these groups.
The vaccine from Pfizer and Moderna use RNA, while AstraZeneca's vaccine uses DNA along with a harmless virus that is unrelated to the coronavirus. Early data suggested that mRNA vaccine may be more effective for preventing COVID-19 symptoms. However, Pfizer's vaccine needs to be kept in special freezers at -70 degrees Celsius, while the other 2 vaccines can remain effective at warmer temperatures. Also, AstraZeneca's vaccine appears to be the easiest and cheapest to store. Could the coronavirus adapt to evade the immunity provided by the vaccines?
Since the SARS-CoV-2 genome appears to be fairly stable so far, there's a good chance the virus may not evolve to escape immunity. But the virus could adapt after mass vaccinations, and more research will be needed to study any new mutations of the coronaviruses.
Do the vaccine have any side effects?
Pfizer's vaccine has some side effects, such as pain at the injection site, fever, fatigue, sore muscles, and headaches. After monitoring hundreds of patients for at least 2 months after their second dose, the UK Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, MHRA, assures that the vaccine is safe. But clinicians are expected to continue reporting any adverse reactions. The articles and news sources are in the description below. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Thank you very much, and we hope you find your daily glimpse of science as interesting as we did.